Hi guys, we're back, and this is a 2010 Outback. It's the same from 10 to 14. I showed you guys how to remove the mirror on the driver's side. You'll watch the video. The driver's side door didn't have a door panel, so I'm going to show you guys in the passenger door how to take the door panel off. It's the same for the driver's side, so you can watch this video to do the driver's side. And maybe we'll come across an Outback with a door panel later. We'll make another video for the driver's side, but very similar. And it's classic Subaru. You got one here, and a bunch of clips. So if you go move, get your flathead or pick or something. There's a little right here. There's a little access door. It's a Phillips screw. There's one more right here. I don't know if you can come in here and show you. Oh, this little access guy, there's a screw right there. Once that's removed, that's basically your things that hold the car up, hold the door panel together. Go ahead and the door panel is now also held on by a bunch of clips. Try to get behind somewhere underneath, just to get anywhere somewhere you can get into it. I usually come around here. It's easier to access. Just enough where you get your hands behind it and just pull like that. Don't forget this guy. Take your clip remover, flathead, put it right here, and just pull. Very simple. It's held up by one of these clips. Don't force it. Try to break it. Some of you guys want to sneak the mirror out because you got all three screws right here. This wire goes to about right here, so you have to take the door panel off no matter what. So once you got this out and all these out, these guys are just swinging. Don't just pull and rip the door off because you have wiring here still and some cables back here. Just lift up because it's got a channel here that sits on. Like that. Lift up this way and it'll slide up this way and pull it back a hair bit. Come back around this side and show you. At these cables here, you can just pop them. They just pop right out. They're two sizes, so you can't go put them back in incorrectly. You got one plug right here. Unplug that, and unplug this guy. And that's how you remove the door panel. Some of these guys might be stuck on the door. Just go ahead and pop them off, pop them back on. So that's how you take the door panel off. Very easy. Going back on is the same way. You just, plug everything back in. First thing first, slide this on the lip. And then, kind of eye it where it is and just push it. It should snap on very easily by itself. So.